This is Tim Willis, and armed only with a copy of OBS and built-in laptop microphone. This is another video from the Nomad Funnelhacker, and today we're going to look at another one of the tools at the ClickFunnels Business Tools site at clickfunnels.com/business-tools, and we're going to look at the Add Play Button tool. Often you have an image that you'd like to look like it's a video with a play button, but if you don't have design skills and an image editor, that can be a little tricky to do. So what ClickFunnels has done is give us a tool that can put a play button on an image. And so let's take a look at how it works. And you can see here it got a comparison of what the before and after is. Very simple tool. We're going to go ahead and choose a file. And the last time I did a video with the Business Tools site, I used the golf test picture. So I'm going to go ahead and use that again. And we just upload our picture, and then you see there's a button that says Add Play Button. Just click on that. And there it shows a preview of the image that we've added the play button to. Now there's no customization on this button. It is what it is. That's the downside of having this simple tool do it for you, is you can't customize it as far as size or color. But it is easy to use. And then it has a button here where you can click to download your file. Now, if you do have more than one picture you want to add a play button to, it's got a do it again button, which will take you back to the previous page where you can download another picture. Let's go ahead and download this. So here back in our folder, we can see that we have our image here. This is the original golf test, and this is what I renamed the golf test for, because Windows does not like you putting a file with the same name in the same folder. And so you can see that it's basically the same picture, it just has a play button now. So it's just that easy to add a play button to any image using the Add Play Button tool at clickfunnels.com business-tools. And that really covers everything we need to cover about the Add Play Button. My name is Tim Willis. I'm a certified ClickFunnels funnel builder. I make tutorial and demonstration videos on ClickFunnels, funnel building, web page design, and tools like clickfunnels.com/business-tools that we use to accomplish all of the above. That's the video for now. I'll talk to you later.